Hello friends, I'm Tripti. We are learning today how to create groups for gaining engagement because group is all about engagement because you can achieve through group you can achieve fans not friends. So we have to learn how to create groups. So I want to show you something related to my group and there is my group and I want to show you my group is digital marketing and this is my new group actually and click on my digital marketing group. You can see here is a 102 members and you can achieve more. I can write blogs related to digital marketing here and members of digital marketing group, my digital marketing group can able to see all posts. And if you want to promote any concept of business, you can create a group. You if you want to achieve many people in your group, many you can create engagement. So you can need to click on how create groups in a drop down option. There is a three option: connect and share, get things done, buy and sell. If you want to connect and share, if I am blogger, so I have to promote my group. I need to more engagement. I can choose connect and share because I want to promote my concept of heart and how to write a blog and so on. So if your business is related to e-commerce business, like if you want to sell, if you want to buy, you can choose this, and if you want to planning an event, so you can choose this. So connect, I can choose this, and my group is related to social media marketing. If I write here social media marketing, sorry for that, social media. Like you can choose any keywords related to your business, whatever you want to promote, and you have to add your members. Like I'm gonna add one member only because it's a learning group. Because this is a group for engagement, so you need to click on public group, not closed group, because um, closed group is related to family groups and your personal. And click on that add to after add to favorite you can click on create, and here is a many icons. You can create many icon related to your business, related to your concept of business. And my concept is social media marketing, so I can choose this icon. And if you want to skip that, and you can skip, click on escape, and it's creating. This is my group. And if I want to upload any pictures, because I want to see in depth of digital marketing, so I can choose related to pic related to digital marketing. So if you want to choose any pics from your computer or laptop, you can choose that. And open, it's uploading. After uploading this, you can drag to reposition group photo. Okay, and save changes. It's a public group, anyone can find it. And now we are customizing this. You can come here, add description. In the description you have to write 300 words minimum, not less than 300 words maximum. You can do it and save. And you can add text related to your business, because my related to group name is social media, so I can put keyword like Facebook, because Facebook is a social media and Facebook Messenger is also part of Facebook. And Facebook connects. So I can you can write three keywords minimum here. So Facebook is, because I choose this keyword because Facebook is a big platform for social media. So I can choose here these keywords. You can choose anything, whatever you want. This is my group and customize. If you want to leave that group, you can click on that. And if you want to share this group in public in your friends, so you can choose click on that. And if you want to share in a group, share in an event, share in a page you manage, so you can click whatever you want. And if you want to write something which is related to your business, and you want to people see that, so you can click, you can write hashtag, and you can put your caption like that, caption like that. Okay, and you can post. And if you want to write any post, you can write here with hashtag. And if you want to upload any video, any photos, you can choose from here. And you can post. Okay, so finally this is a group which is related to social media and related to my concept. Thank you friends. Please subscribe this. Bye bye.